welding isn't just a brute force kind of heavy lifting, creating sparks and heat career any longer like it maybe once was. Instead, it requires high attention to detail. It requires, hand-eye coordination to manipulate that weld and make it not only extremely good looking, but very strong, and in a lot of cases also very sanitary. Welding isn't always the end. Many people go into the welding industry and they start as a welder. And from there, the doors are open to go many different directions. From becoming a welder, you could go into supervisor roles, you could go into engineering, you could go into design, you can go into sales, and really the list is endless. And one day you could own your own welding company, if you really think about it. So to think you're going into a welding career and being a welder is it? No, there's way more beyond that if you're interested. You think about everything you use in your day, from when you wake up in the morning to the toothpaste, to the mouthwash, to the shampoo, to the milk that goes onto your cereal. All of those products have to be made somewhere, with equipment that's made somewhere. Well, the companies that we work with make that equipment. Many of them are building products designed for the food and beverage industry. They might be building products for a cheese factory, or for a dairy, or even for a soft drink company, where they would actually build the equipment, the stainless steel equipment, that then will go to those factories to build those products. One of the first tasks that I had was to meet with these employers. And basically I sat there and interviewed with them and talked to them and asked them tons of questions about, what do they look for? What types of skills would they like my students to have? Even more specific questions like, what thicknesses of materials would you like us to work on? What particular joints do you find are important? Using that information, we were able to develop the learning plans for this program, the competencies for this program, and ever since then tweak them a little bit to continue to meet the needs of the employers.